Alright, I got it all done. It's all wired. Tell you what, I can show you. I pushed it through the boot. Like I said, I was going to push it through the boot. And it's right down there. And then all I have to do is just take this and stick it on where I want to stick it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start it up. I'm going to give you a glimpse of what the light looks like. But I'm not going to be that guy that shines it, you know, right directly into the camera. That's just not necessary. There it goes. Alright, so here we go. Now I'll turn them off. And that's just with the low beam and the fog lights on it. I'm going to try to keep you at an angle so you don't get a head-on other light. Pop them on one more time. That's pretty good. I didn't mean to shine it right in the camera. Alright, so install your lights. It takes a little time. It takes a little bit of work, but it's worth it. Alright, see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate all my viewers and subscribers. Take care.